This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another day. It's Saturday and I just woke up. It's 9:20 already. My husband and my baby still sleeping. Normally Sunto wakes up around 11 or 1 o'clock. He slept so late. Last night he slept around 3:30. Yeah, 3:30, and we turned off the lights already, but still he don't want to sleep. He's just going around the room. Yeah, so today is just a normal day with us. Now we'll go to market, buy some stuff for breakfast, and also I will pay for the water bill. I'll update you later.
A few moments later.
Okay, you see the tank, big tank. We park our car here. Push. So now it's traffic already. Actually, I prefer using bike, but my husband always angry because said, why am I not driving the car? So what's the purpose of buying the car if you're not using it? What is it for? So it's better to sell it than keeping it there. Even if the market is just close to our house, yeah, maybe 2 minutes or 3 minutes if you use bike. Yeah, so I'm just using the car, so you will not hear talk again. At the back of the market. So this is the market. So I'll just park here. Dalawa po nito. Spanish bread. Side. It's an empty lot. Okay, so this is our brunch. So I have here sandwich, plantain, and egg. So it's for my husband. He's still upstairs, but I called him already. Got this Pekin. The struggle is real. Or you hustle for your food. This one can chop. After finishing this, he ate like almost. This one is almost full. He ate some already. After this, he will still drink 330 ml of milk. With this small stomach, you eat though. Eh? Love food though. You know? Love food though. I love food. Always angry. Want to eat sharp now. Can't even wait. How was it? Yummy? Is it yummy? Agro? See? Ay. No more. Keep playing. Now you hit where? Let me shake the I eat first. Shake daddy. Yeah, kiss daddy. With your mouth open. Kiss daddy.
Kiss.
To this one. Okay, we're done. So see, this is my bobo. He finished his food. And now it's time to shower. Okay? Time to shower. Some to baby. So this my Pekin can eat too. Can eat like daddy. Abby can eat like mommy. Okay.